Hello, my name's Marina Stedman. Today I'm going to talk you through the steps about how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So I'm going to cover 4 things today. Why subscribe to a YouTube channel, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel if you already have a Google account, how to receive YouTube notifications via your desktop and via mobile, and how to set up a Google account if you don't have one already. So a YouTube channel is where a person or an organisation puts their content on YouTube. So it's like their homepage on YouTube. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel, you'll see any new videos that channel publishes here on your YouTube screen, and when you click on your subscriptions feed on your left-hand menu. So just click on subscriptions in the left-hand menu and you'll see all the YouTube videos from the channels you subscribe to appear on the right. Each YouTube channel and video has a subscribe button that you can see, so it's really easy to subscribe. You can also be notified via email or via notifications on your phone when a channel you subscribe to publishes new content. So it's great if you want to be notified about things you're interested in. So to subscribe to a YouTube channel, you can just go directly to youtube.com and search for the channel you want to subscribe to if you know what it is. For example, The Good Exchange. You can go directly to that channel's URL. So I put our URL there. Or you can just go onto YouTube, search around and find a topic you like, and then just subscribe to that channel there and then. So to just subscribe to a channel, you just click on the red subscribe button. Now you can also have notifications. So when you subscribe to a channel, you can be notified when that channel has published a new video. After you subscribed, you just click on the bell to receive notifications. Now the default from YouTube is to have personalised notifications, and these are based on what Google thinks you'd want to see based on other things you've watched, channels you subscribe to and other behaviours, for example. So the more that you watch things, the more personalised your notifications will become. If you don't want Google to decide or YouTube to decide, you can either say, I don't want to receive any notifications about any of my channels by clicking on the crossed out bell, or you can click in the grey filled in bell, but then you'll receive notifications for everything, for every channel that you subscribe to. So also if you do subscribe and you feel you're getting too many notifications, you can unsubscribe from a channel if you're not interested in it anymore. So YouTube will send emails or notifications on your mobile or inbox notifications on your computer. So to manage your notifications, sign into YouTube via Google Chrome, and at the top of the screen, click your profile picture. Then click on Settings and Notifications. Next to where it says Desktop Notifications, so this is on your laptop or your PC, click on the grey circle and then that will turn blue to show that you've enabled getting notifications in that browser, so in Chrome here. Also, make sure you do the same for subscriptions, so you'll only get notifications there about channels that you subscribe to. Also, make sure if you want to get notifications through email to scroll down the page to your preferences for email and click here on subscriptions, where that will now turn blue. So that is now agreeing that YouTube can send you notifications by email about YouTube channels. If you want to receive notifications on your mobile phone, you have to set up notification preferences on your phone. So the process will look something like this example. So this is based on an Apple phone with the iOS operating system. If you've got an Android phone, it'll be a similar process but slightly different. So first of all, you need to have the YouTube app on your phone. So get that from the App Store or from Google Play. Then tap on the settings icon and swipe down to the notifications area and tap on it. Then swipe down again to YouTube, which will probably be at the bottom because your apps are usually in alphabetical order. And then tap on the Allow Notification circle, which should turn from grey to green. Now you can see here that you can choose where you want your notifications to appear. So it could be on your lock screen, in the notification center, or on a banner. And you just will tap on any of these blue ticks and they'll either go on or off. So then you can decide where you want to be notified and what you want to be notified about. Now, that's fine if you've got a Google account, but if you haven't got one or you can't remember if you've got one, then I'm now going to take you through how to create a Google account so you can subscribe to a YouTube channel. So you have to have a Google account to subscribe to YouTube because YouTube belongs to Google. A Google account will also let you log into other things such as Google Analytics, Google Ad Grants, and Google Play to get apps. So if you've got a Gmail account, then every Gmail account is already a Google account because Gmail belongs to Google. So if you've already got a Gmail account, you've already got a Google account. But you can have a Google account that isn't a Gmail account. So for example, I've got a Google account based on my work email address, which is marina.stedman@thegoodexchange.com. And also, if you are accessing Google apps such as YouTube or Google Analytics, you're best going to them through the Google Chrome browser because you'll get the best user experience. So first of all, you'll be asked to sign in and create a Google account. So I've put a couple of links here. You can go myaccount.google.com or you can go directly to YouTube. And you'll see a variation of a box like this, a sign-in box. If you go to YouTube or continue to YouTube, or you might need to create an account if you haven't got one. You might also see this box. So if you're like me and you've got more than one Google account, one for your personal use and one for your work use, you might see the choose an account box, and then you have to choose to use the one it's picked as default or use another account. So for example, your work one or your personal one. If you can't remember if you've got an account, you can go here directly to the forgot password, or you can just click on forgot email in the box and you can start the account recovery process. So Google will always ask you for the last password you remember, but actually it doesn't really care what you put in there, so just put some text or something you think might be the password. If it's not the right password or you haven't got an account, it'll just come up with account recovery. So if you think you've got an account but you can't remember your password, go through this process and Google will text you a code to type in, and then you'll be able to recover your account. So put a phone number in here, and if you've got that phone number already registered on your account, Google will text you a code. If you're not sure you've got a Google account, put your email address in the box to sign in, and Google will tell you if it recognises that. So you can see here I put a spelling mistake in my name and Google says it couldn't find my Google account. If you get that message, you need to create an account. So click on the create account link and continue to create your Google account. So just all you have to do is put your first name, last name in and your email address, and then start typing your password. Make sure that your location is English, United Kingdom, so you'll get everything in English. So enter a password. If you don't know what password you want to put in, or you don't know if the first password you put in is the same as the second one, click on the eye icon and you'll see exactly what you typed in the first time and what you're typing in the second time. Once you're happy with your password and you know that they match, click on next, and you'll be mailed a verification code from Google, which is checking that you're the person who's setting up the account. So you need to go to your email, find an email from Google and copy that code and paste it into this box. Also check your spam folder if you can't find it in your main email box. Then click on verify and you'll be taken to the personal details page. Now Google will ask you for your date of birth and your gender, and you have to put these in because it uses them to verify your age and also restrict access to some content that's age sensitive. So for example, some of the videos on YouTube you might not be able to see if you're under 18. Don't worry, these details are not visible to anyone except you. But if you want to know more about how Google manages your personal information, I've put some links here. And you can access your account information and update your personal information and choose what others can see via these two links. Now you'll then see a verifying your phone number option. So this is where Google wants to send you a text message via your mobile phone to verify the data that you've entered. Now you can say I don't want to verify my phone now, but if you do, it's a bit harder then to reset your password, for example, if you've forgotten it, because Google will send you a 6-digit verification code via text message to reset your password. Next, you have to accept all the terms from Google, and it doesn't allow you to accept them at the top. You have to scroll down through all the terms and conditions so Google makes sure that you've at least had a chance to see them and read them all. At the bottom you'll see two boxes. I agree to Google's terms of service and I agree to information processing, and you need to tick those before you can create an account. And again, Google will say, are you really sure you want to create an account? And you'll have to confirm that that's what you want to do. So once you've done that, You've created your account, you'll be taken to your account page, and then if you want to subscribe to a YouTube channel, go back to the beginning of the video and follow the steps. So thank you very much for watching the Good Exchange video about how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel and accept notifications, and then you'll be notified when we post some of our new how-to videos, case study videos and expert view videos. Thank you very much.